How to see your FPL captain. Hey guys, let's get started. If you want to identify the captain of your team in Fantasy Premier League, the steps are quite simple. For this, you just have to tap open your Premier League in the application or in the preferred browser. Go to the Fantasy section and then tap on Pick Team. Here you can see all of your team members, and to identify the captain, look at the player's top left corner. It is written as C and that person is the captain. Now if you want to switch the captain, just tap on the member that you want to make the captain, and after that you will see the option of captain written. Just tick on it and the icon will be changed. Now you can just click on confirm, and this way you will see the icon on the player as C for the FPL captain. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.